Hello, and thank you for taking the time to look at this Office 365 FastTrack program management solution. We've developed this to realize your Office 365 investment sooner, mitigate risks, and manage costs more effectively. Since you've invested in Office 365, the deployment of Office 365 across your organization will be key to the success of that investment. It's important you have visibility to the program elements, such as some of the key resources involved, some of the potential risks involved, and all of those aspects are really important to the program management framework. This Office 365 Fast Track Program Management solution is a framework that's been implemented on top of Microsoft Project Online, and this is deployed within 1 week. Within 1 week, the solution will be ready and your team will be trained on the solution so that you can get to work on the deployment and ensure the success. Just to give you some insight into how we created this fast track approach is that we took what's recommended within the fast track guide, such as the different phases involved. Phase 1, the envisioning phase. Phase 2, the onboarding phase. And phase 3, the driving value phase. And we've put that all within the program management framework on top of Microsoft Project Online. To show you some of the key features before I go into the demo, you could see that the left hand side shows you all the different work streams involved with the program management framework, and on the right side you could see a Power BI dashboard that we include so that your key stakeholders can maintain visibility in the different work streams, and they would be able to drill down into specific metadata that they want visibility into. The FastTrack program management solution includes configuration of the Microsoft project environment, such as project and portfolio metadata, different project types, collection of project schedules and templates, configuration of resource calendars, enabling timesheets, including blended rates for the organization and including the list of your resources and their roles. We also include a Power BI dashboard that I'll show you in a moment. And then we also include some consulting time so that you can have a 2-hour solution design workshop at the beginning and a 2-hour training workshop at the end. Just to show some prerequisites to getting started with the solution, at the beginning you'll need to obtain your Office 365 tenant. After that, you'll need to connect your current Active Directory with Azure Active Directory under the same Office 365 tenant. After that, you'll need to obtain Project Online subscriptions. And you would also need to obtain Power BI subscriptions if you would like to see the Power BI dashboard. As you can see right here, this is our Project Online demo environment. This is configured with the Office 365 implementation framework that we were just discussing. You can see the Power BI dashboard right here in front of you, where your key stakeholders can drill through and they could see important information on this Office 365 deployment. So for example, when we were talking about the different phases of the Office 365 deployment, as Fast Track suggests, you could see that we have different groupings of Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. So for example, if you wanted to see what you're building a champion program would look like, you can very simply just click on building a champion program in Power BI and it would be able to filter everything down. If you wanted to take a look from a top level and you wanted to see which of the work streams are late, you can click on the late drill down button and it would just show you that it looks like some of our Phase 2 and Phase 3 work streams are behind schedule. If you wanted to see which of the work streams are completed, we can click on the completed button and you could see that right now we have communication and awareness project and launching events as completed as well. Just to give you a deeper dive into what's included in this Office 365 program management framework, you could see on the left hand side you have your navigation links. We can click on work streams and it would load up our project center that shows you all the different work streams as recommended by the Fast Track guide that we can drill into and see that actual project schedule. So when we click on, for example, building a champion program, and we load up the project schedule, you could see that we'll have the tasks involved with that work stream, we'll have start dates, finish dates, You'll be able to assign resources, take a look at how much work is involved. Let's go and scroll down and take a look at the resources involved. You would have a Gantt chart with everything linked with the correct dependencies. And this way you would have increased visibility of your program management framework.